First, turn the top of the storage cap counterclockwise to loosen it. Remove the storage cap and place it upright. Next, get a container with some fresh clean tap water and put in a few drops of Bluelab pH probe cleaner. Gently stir the probe in the cleaning mixture. Then rinse it in fresh clean tap water and make sure all traces of cleaning solution are removed. If the probe is heavily contaminated, dip the soft bristled toothbrush in the cleaning solution. Gently clean around the end of the probe on the glass tip.